This year, Classic Automation expanded its inventory with nearly 80,000 new parts and conditions, strengthening our commitment to helping keep the world's production running. As major manufacturers release new generations and retire older lines, we're continuing to add the legacy and modern components you depend on, giving you access to thousands of parts, reducing lead times, preventing downtime, and extending the life of your systems. Before you receive your parts, our in-house technicians test, repair, and certify each unit to meet the highest standards of performance and reliability. This investment in testing, technician training, and system-specific capabilities ensures that no system, new or legacy, falls through the cracks of obsolescence. From sourcing to testing to final shipment, every step reflects our mission, providing the parts, repairs, and support that keep your equipment running longer. Classic Automation. We help keep the world's production running